So today I'm going to show you how to make Poussin chicken in Kenyan style. So here I've taken 1 kilo of chicken thighs with skin. I'm going to be boiling this chicken. So in hot water I've added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of heaped garlic paste, and we are going to give it a mix, and we are going to boil the chicken in the water for only 15 minutes. We are going to come in between and stir the chicken, and we are going to keep the chicken skin intact, which is important for Poussin chicken. So here is our chicken cooked, and we are going to strain it, and we are going to let it cool down on the side. Now we are going to deep fry the chicken. So I've taken a non-stick pan, and inside I'm going to add the chicken. So we are going to deep fry the chicken for only 15 minutes, and we are going to keep each side for 7 minutes because chicken has already half cooked in the boiling stage. So here we are only going to cook for 12 to 15 minutes only. So here you can see I'm turning after 7 minutes the chicken, and I'm going to make it a little crispy but not dry. So here is our chicken, it's ready, and we are going to take it out of the oil. We're going to let it cool down for about 5 minutes, and then we are going to make the Poussin sauce, which is super easy. Look at it, how yummy it looks. Wait for the masala to come, then it will really look yummy. So here I've given you the ingredient. You can take a screenshot and save. So let's make this Poussin sauce. So here I've taken half cup of vegetable oil. Inside I'm adding 1 tablespoon of margarine. I've taken Blue Band. Next we are going to add inside 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, half teaspoon of red chili powder, but if you want more spicy you can add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And the most important ingredient is Spanish paprika, which I have taken 4 tablespoons heaped. If you want your sauce more thicker, then you can add more Spanish paprika. And at this time you keep the flame on completely slow and literally cook it for 2 minutes, because the Spanish paprika gets burned very fast. So here is our Poussin sauce ready. At this time you can taste for salt and chili, then you can adjust it. So there we go, our super yummy Poussin sauce is ready. Now we are going to put the chicken inside, and we are going to let the chicken pieces get caught properly with the Poussin sauce, and then we are going to keep little Poussin sauce on the sides. When we eat the chicken, we can add some Poussin sauce and eat. This Poussin chicken can be served with Poussin chips, and Poussin chip recipe is in my YouTube channel. You can have a look at it. Here we go, look at it, how super delicious it looks. And there is our super yummy, easy and fast chicken Poussin. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.